In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile location on Upwork. So let's get started. To start, open Upwork and head to the top right corner of the screen where your profile is located. Go ahead and click on that. Right next to your name, you'll see your current location displayed. Now to change this location, click on the top right where it says Profile Settings. And from there, you have to go over to Contact Info from the left-hand side. On the Contact Info page, we want to scroll down until we see the location area here. Next, you have to click on the pencil icon here, and it will then allow you to change your location info. So we can change the time zone that we're in. We can also change our country, as well as our address, our city, the state, and our province that we're located in. And lastly, the zip code. So if you want to change the location that is shown on your Upwork profile, you can go ahead and edit any of these inputs, like so, and then just click on where it says Update at the bottom, and you should see that reflected on your Upwork profile. That's exactly how you can change your profile location on Upwork. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.